Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we learned some exercise, some problems. Okay, exercise first G. Question number first. One problem is remains, that is question T. Okay, I think some students solve that, but again I will explain you this problem. Okay, and after that we will take next question. Okay, so see how to solve this question. It is very easy. Okay. So 5 by 14 and 9 by 14. What you have to find here? First read the question. It is given there. Find a rational number between these two numbers. Find a rational number. Means you have to find only one rational number. So if you draw the number line, now first you have to see the denominator is same. So draw the number line like this. Okay. Now listen here. 5 by 14 and 9 by 14 is there. Both numbers are positive. Suppose if you start 0 here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now this is 1, so you can write here 1 by 14. This is 2, this 2 by 14. 3 means 3 by 14. Like this you can write here. Okay, 5 by 14, 6 by 14, 7 by 14, 8 by 14, 9 by 14. So you have to write the one rational number between which two numbers? 5 and 9. 5 means this one, 9 means this one. So between these two rational numbers, which is the middle number, that you have to take. Which one? This is 7 by 4. So your answer is what? The exact number, the middle number, or the number in which the number between these two numbers. Okay. So rational number between 5 by 14 and 9 by 14 is which one? 7 by 14. But if you simplify this 7 by 14, so you can write 1 by 2 also. So 1 over 7, 7 to the 14. Okay, so like this you can write 7 by 14 or 1 by 2. So in this you get the answer. Okay, so directly you can solve this one because the denominators are same. Suppose denominators are different, then what we have to do there? We have to find the LCM and then make the denominator same, and then we have to find the middle number. Okay, now next question. So write down this. Second question, see here. Question number 2. Listen here, what is given? Find three rational numbers. Find three rational numbers between 1 by 8 and 1 by 12. Between 1 by 8 and 1 by 12. Question second, 1 by 8 and 1 by 12. This is also very simple. Here you have to find three rational numbers, means any three rational numbers. Okay, any three rational numbers. So here the denominators are different. Okay, so we cannot draw the number line here. Okay, if the denominators are same, then we can draw the number line. Okay, and all the denominators that is same. But suppose the denominators are different, that time we have to find the LCM of this denominator and make the rational numbers of same denominator. So first find the LCM of 8 and 12. LCM, so you have to find the LCM of 8 and 12 like this. Suppose this is 8, this is 12. You know very well how to find the LCM of these numbers. If you divide this number by 2, so 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12. Again these two numbers are divided by 2, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, again this number is divisible by 2. This is not. Okay, so this number 2 1s are 2, but this number cannot divide, so this number remains as it is. Now this number is divisible by 3, so 1 as it is and 3 1s are 3. Till get 1, stop here. Okay, now LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So how many? 8 3 are 24. So your LCM is what? 24. So in this way you can get the LCM. After finding the LCM, make the denominator same. This will be how many? 24 and this is also 24. So you have to make the denominator same, that is 24. So 1 by 12 is equal to 1 into something and here 12 into something. Okay, so you have to make it 24. 12, how many times 24? 12 to that. So you have to multiply it here also by 2. So you can get 2 by 24. Okay, again if you simplify, you get the same answer. Second one is 1 by 12. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 into 2 and here 8 is here. Okay, 8 3s are 24 and here 3 1s are 3, like this. Okay, so 12 into 2 by 24. So like these two numbers are there. Okay. Now see here, 1 by 8 means 3 by 24 and 1 by 12 means 2 by 24. Okay. Suppose if you draw the number line, can you get three rational numbers between these two numbers, 2 by 24 and 3 by 24? Suppose if you draw the number line like this, suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is 1 by 24, this is 2 by 24, this is 3 by 24. So can you get three rational numbers between these two, 2 by 24 and 3 by 24? Can you get three rational numbers? We cannot get it. Okay, so that time what we have to do here? So again you have to write the equivalent fraction of these numbers. So these are very smallest number. So that's why we cannot get three rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Okay, so that time you have to increase that number. So by increase by which number? So any number you have to consider. Again multiply this number by 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. Same number you have to multiply here, 2 by 2, 3 by 4. So but we have to do here directly we have to multiply 30 by 30. Means what you have to do here? This is number suppose 3 into 10 and some same number again 24 into 10. Here also 2 into 10 and 24 into 10. So what you have to get here? Here 30 by 240 and here also 20 by 240. So like this you can get these numbers. In place of these numbers, you got this 30 by 240 and 20 by 240. So these numbers are the biggest number. You have to multiply it by 10 by 10, 20 by 20, 30 by 30. Any number you can consider here. Any number you can write here. In place of 10, you can write 11 by 11, here 11 by 11, 12 by 12, here 12 by 12. But suppose if you write 10 by 10, so only you have to put 0. So no need to multiply. 10 3 is 30. You can easily write. 24 into 10 you can easily write. But suppose if you write here 9 by 9. So 24 into 9. Again you have to multiply 24 into 9. Then it takes more time. Okay. So you have to by using smallest method you have to write here direct 10 by 10 means you have to put only the 0. So directly you can get the answer here. Now if you draw the number line, see here. Suppose if you write here 0, 1, 2, 3 means 1 by, so we get the biggest number. Suppose here 1 by 2 by 3 by, suppose that is 20 by 240. Okay, here 21 by 240. Like this you can get here 30 by 240. Okay, so many numbers you can get between among these two numbers. Okay, so the numbers, which numbers are there? Okay, so listen here, the numbers lies between, okay, between these two numbers 20 by 240 and 30 by 240 are which one? After 20, 21, 21 by 240, 22 by 240, 23 by 240. So like this you can get 21 by 240, 22 by 240, 23 by 240. So in this way you can get up to 29 by 240. But you have to write only three numbers. Any three number you have to write. Okay. So in this way you get the answer. So in this way, how many numbers are lies between two rational numbers? Suppose anybody asks you how many number lies between two rational numbers. So in this way, if you multiply it by 100 by 100, so again you can get more numbers. If you multiply it by 1000 by 1000, again you can get more numbers. Means there are infinite numbers are there. If anybody asks you how many numbers lies between two rational numbers, so infinite or uncountable numbers, uncountable rational numbers are there. Okay, not only one number or two number or three numbers. There are infinite rational numbers lies between any two rational numbers. Okay, understood? So in this way you can find the answer. Okay, so write down this. Shall we take one more problem? Okay, see here. Which one? B. Question B. Okay, so write down this question B. First over. Now listen again carefully. Again different denominators are there. So question B is what? 7 by 10 and 6 by 9. 7 by 10 and 6 by 9. 7 by 10 and 6 by 9. Okay. first you have to find the LCM. LCM of 9 and 10. What is the LCM of 9 and 10? This number is multiplied. This number is divisible by 2. So 9 is not divisible. Remains as it is. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Again 3. 3 3s are 9. This is not divisible. Now 3 1s are 3. 5 as it is. And then 5 1s are 5. Okay. So in this way LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into how many? You can get 90. So the LCM is what? 90. So make the denominators 90. 7 by 10. How to get 90 here? 10 into 9. Here 7 into 9. 9 7 the 60. So 63 by 90 like this. 6 by 9. So 6 into how many? 9 into how many? 10. So you can get here 60 by 90. Now tell me, you have to write 3 rational numbers. How many numbers are there between 60 and 63? After 60, 61 and 62. Only 2 rational numbers are there. But you have to write 3 rational numbers. So what you have to do? You have to multiply this number again by 10 by 10. Okay? So 63 into 10 divided by 90 into 10. We can get 630. Directly we can get the answer. Okay? In place of 10, suppose if you write any number, so you have to multiply and do that work in rough page. Okay, so you can get the more time. So 60 into 10, directly you can write the answer 90 into 10. Here you can get 600, here you can get 900. Or you can write the answer if you multiply it by 10. Okay, so can you find 3 rational numbers between these two numbers? You can easily find it. Okay, so the rational numbers between which one? 630 by 900 and 600 by 900 are which one? After 600, 601, 602, 603 like this. 601 by 900, then 602 by 900, 603 by 900. Over 3 rational numbers. Again, so many numbers are there up to 629 by 900. Okay, so many numbers are there. So in this way you can get the answer. Understood? Can you try to solve the remaining problems? There are total again 1, 2, 3, 4 problems are there. Okay, tomorrow I will explain you question number 3. Okay, so till then, thank you.